The Reading Wizards Phonics Lessons for Kids. Teaching videos, interactive follow-up activities, and assessments. Great for the classroom and at home. Here's a preview of Lesson 20, the two sounds of TH.
We have a winner in the town library's 2-hour reading contest.
Here are today's words. Let's get started.
Do you know what the big math book said to the little math book?
No, what did the big math book say to the little math book?
I really like all of them. This one is good. This one is better. And this one is the best batch of all the cookies.
I had a great strategy to read only thin books. I knew that Elliot always reads thick books. How could he have read so many more than I did? Tad got in the bath, but then there's this other part of it. Well, try sounding out that other part of it. Okay. Tub. Now put them together. Bathtub. Bathtub.
It's bath time. What do you think of that?
We can do something about that.
How could anybody turn down a piece of delicious cake? We are offering the first 5 lessons for free. That's right, you can get your child started with 5 free lessons, and we strive to keep the remaining lessons affordable. You can buy 1 lesson at a time or buy bundles of lessons to save money. Here's how to get started. Go to our website, thereadingwizards.org, and click on the Get Lessons tab. The Reading Wizards want to help your child unlock the mysteries of reading and have some fun doing it. Check us out today. The Reading Wizards from Lucky Cat Productions.